Thank you, Matt. All but one county throughout Alabama is now in the high community transmission level for COVID-19. In fact, statewide now, 1 out of 4 tests are coming back positive for coronavirus.
As you prepare to gather this holiday weekend, WAAY 31's Nicole Zedek spoke to the Alabama Department of Public Health to learn what you should be aware of as we head into a busy holiday weekend.
Well, the good news, Dan, is that most 4th of July celebrations, they're outside. And ADPH says that's key and significantly helps lower the risk of transmission. And enjoying the beautiful weather, it seems to be the plan for most of the people I spoke with.
I just love being outdoors, especially on Independence Day weekend.
I'm an outdoor kid. Definitely going to be outdoors.
A day by the lake, grilling with family, and fireworks at night. All 4th of July staples. And ADPH says they're actually pretty safe activities.
You know, we're outside more now, and that's good. And I've never been a person that worried about being outside in terms of transmission of COVID unless you're just packed shoulder to shoulder.
Even though you're at less of a risk for getting COVID outside, it's still important to stay aware and take the same precautions the State Department has been preaching for the past 2 years.
We started this in January of 2020, and here we are in July of 2022. So my message would be on the lookout regarding your signs or symptoms of illness, and certainly keep the availability for testing in your home.
If you're traveling for the holiday weekend, it's not a bad idea to take a test when you return home. And if you feel sick before a party, ADPH says don't risk it.
The message I would remind people is, again, be aware of what your community levels are. And also be aware that if you have signs or symptoms of illness, you know, it's better to forego that party.
Dr. Karen Landers with ADPH wants to remind people that although we're all thinking about COVID right now, we do have to stay aware, but there are other risks to also keep in mind this holiday weekend. Be on the lookout for heat exhaustion, dehydration, be careful around the grill, and extra careful around any amateur fireworks. Reporting live in studio, Nicole Zedek, WAAY 31 News.
Thank you, Nicole. Although the test positivity rate is about 25% throughout the state, hospitalizations remain low, with about 400 people in hospitals for COVID-19 related illnesses. Dr. Karen Landers, who you just heard from, says if hospitalizations remain low, it's a good sign that our overall COVID numbers could soon drop as well.